Welcome everyone to RF Avalon, and in this video we'll be showing you how to download RF Avalon. This is just a tutorial, and if you already know how to, then you probably want to watch this. So first up, you want to go to this link. Just know that this is a Google Drive link, so you just copy and paste this and it will send you to Google Drive. Once you get to the Google Drive, you can click download, or you can click the one right here. Once you finish downloading, you can be able to you'll get the file, and then you'll see a folder right here, RF test client. If you do not have WinRAR client, then what you download from the Google Drive will look different, so make sure to have it open. But if you do, then extract all right here, click that, and then you should get this folder RF test client. If you don't, then you can come to 7-bit or find a way to download WinRAR. Both ways will be in the link in the description, and it should be over here. This is what 7 client is, 7-bit client, and it will be in the description. As I said, if you don't want to click the link in the description, you can just type in 7-zip.org. My bad for saying bit, that's my fault. Our game does not currently support Mac or Linux or Chromebook, sadly, but we hope to expand soon. But when you get here, click download, and then fit whatever description, whatever it suits best for your computer. Make sure to open the file. Once you do, it'll ask you a few questions. Just click yes on all of them. Once you've finished with 7-zip, then you can download the file, and then you'll see this RF test client. You should at least, and then click extract all, and you'll get that, and you'll get this folder right here, RF test client. Once you get in, make sure to click test client, and then you find this application right here. It says RF. It stands out pretty brightly, so you should be able to see what it is immediately. Alright, now that we finally made it to the game lobby, or where you log in and stuff, you cannot register through the game. You have to go to a certain website since we are still only in beta currently. We are going to configure it, but you can see here avalon.gamecp.net. That's where you go to, okay? That's where you want to go. The link will also be in the description. Just search it up in your browser, and then you can register right there. Click register. It's gonna load for a little bit. Just give it a second, and we're not here yet. Alright, read carefully before continuing, and then you can sign up. You put your username, your password, confirm the password, email address, and confirm email address. For the PIN, your PIN is just to secure your account. It's not really completely needed, but you can just put 1 2 3 4 5 6. But if you want to have a secure account, then I recommend you using a secure PIN. If you don't want to, then just put 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's just for extra, extra stuff. Here, let me fill this out real quick. Alright, now that I've finished my registration, I'm going to go in here now, put in my login. But if you want not full Windows mode, make sure to click the uncheck the windowed mode, okay? If you don't want windowed mode, you want to make sure to go check your display settings. If you know your display resolution is not needed, but as you can see, mine is 1920 x 1080, which is what my display resolution is. After that, you want to click here, the setup, and then you want to make sure that your screen resolution fits what your computer resolution is. And this is mine, as you can see, 920 x 1080, and then the other one's 920 x 1080. Once you finish with that, you can log in right here, put in your stuff, and then you're ready to go. It's quite loud, but since you guys are beta test, if the beta testers are watching this, then you guys should be able to go and tell us what you guys want us to fix.